Hello, my viewers, greetings to all. Today we will learn about page setup in AutoCAD in simple and easy way. Let's open a new file. For this video, let's draw a plot of 50 meters by 15 meter size. Let's open the Layout tab at the bottom. Here, the default sheet size is showing, which we need to change to our required size. Enter plot command or simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Here in the plot window, default size is showing as ISO A4. Let's change the plotter name by choosing the available options. Select the default AutoCAD PDF option. And change the paper size as ISO A3. Keep the rest settings as default. Plot area should be layout option. And the scale here should be 1:1000 or 1:1. Set the plot style as monochrome for now. To save this setting, click Apply to Layout option, and then you can click Cancel. The settings will be saved for this layout. Here we can see the sheet size has changed. Let's verify its dimension by measuring the sheet size. The sheet is exactly 420 millimeters by 297 millimeters. Let's draw the border of the page. Here for now, keep the offset from the page border be 10 millimeters, and at the left side keep 20 millimeters as binding space. Let's stretch the viewport to the page border corners. Now, let's see how does the plot looks afterward. Click on Preview. Here we can see that the plot has cropped the border at top and bottom. This is because the plot area is only up to the dots line seen in the page. To make whole page to print, we have to select a different plotter option. Let's set DWG to PDF option in the plotter name. And paper size as full bleed A3 size. Scroll to find this option. Click Apply to Layout option to save the setting and click Cancel. Our page borders and viewport got shifted. Let's move them back to their place. Let's see the print view again by clicking the preview. Here, the whole page can be seen in the plot. No page borders got cropped. This way we can set up our layout. After this, all we have to do is to give appropriate scale for the page so that our drawings are seen clearly. Let's change this A3 size paper to A4 size paper. All we have to do is to change the paper size from A3 to A4 in the plot settings again. And change the size of the borders and viewport to match the size of the white paper. Or create a new one. Which one is faster to do? And that's it, a very simple way to change the layout size as required. Thank you for watching the video.